She had been attempting this move for months, and it looks like she's finally gonna do it successfully. Thank goodness she has the camera rolling. Loney, you're ruining it! She was feeling good about herself, too.
Were you in the way the whole time? Okay, messing that up. You can carry it out, you can have it.
Challenge accepted.
This is the tree you picked out for where?
For the living room.
For the living room? Oh, okay.
How big is their living room?
Yeah, I think that'll be perfect. Beautiful, Luke. Good.
That'll fit just right.
Good choice. Good choice.
But couldn't fit in our car.
Probably not.
You should dress for the job you want, not the job you have. And Ernie wants to be a dinosaur. So he dresses for it. Grandma will take all the baby kisses she can get. But when you take the good ones, you gotta take the bad ones. Steps are so boring. His friends nicknamed him Scooch. Here's why. Scooch, 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 Scooch. Yeah! Way to go, Scooch. Careful, that chair's moving awful fast. Oh! At the Fire Training Academy, they want recruits to experience a real-life explosion. But sometimes they went a little overboard with the gasoline. That was number 10. Hunter? That walrus sure is impressing her.
Yeah?
For those of you keeping count, the answer is 9. Sometimes fireworks seem so close. Because they are! Was that a house? That was number 9. That time, the whole family let the soothing sound of the tires on the road send them off to dreamland. He's got it on cruise control, right? That was lucky number 7. It starts with a swan dive, followed by the doggy paddle, and ends with this woman's foot.
By himself, he's like, yeah, let's go.
Brian and Steve did everything together. They always had each other's back. No matter how rough it got, the tougher the situation, the more they hung together. Until that one day when Brian said, "The heck with this. I am out of here."
Oh, remember?
Matthew has been off the grid and living in the woods for a month now and loving every minute of it. No shaving, no bathing, no technology.
Oh, man. Oh, he's doing good.
He was starting to get a little ripe, so his buddies tricked him into taking a bath.
Oh, Matt!
He's cold, but he smells much better.
Just jump. Come on.
When rock jumping, it's important not to psych yourself out.
Now it's deep. I jumped.
Maybe if you stretch a little first.
Come on, just jump.
The best part of science camp was when math campers got to put Archimedes' theory of displacement into action. Who says continuum mechanics can't be fun? Time's up. Should have paid for the longer ride. That time you booked a luxury cruise during the windy season.
We're on the dock. A little wind. Take us right there.
That was number 6. Megan loved ducks and all, but that was only because she had never been mugged by one. You bastard! Drop the chips, drop the chips, drop the chips, drop the chips, drop the chips! Those chips, drop them! Drop the chips, they want the chips! Sand is made by pounding rock. Way to make sand, little guy.
Okay, so, all right, out of the way.
The only thing more exciting than flying through nature on a zip line is when you come to the end of the line. Whoa! Pretty exciting. The fence is there to prevent first-timers from drifting over into a more dangerous area. And it works like a charm.
Stop fucking laughing at me. Well, we made our first run.
The snow escalator seems safer than the other ways up the hill, but apparently it's about the same. Pelicans have been known to eat small children whole. At least that's what his dad told him. Clearly, he escaped from the zoo by chewing through his leash, and now he needs to make a getaway. You don't have to let him inside, but come on, help a monkey out. Go, 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 drive, drive, go. Come on!
He's our tour guide. Oh my gosh. Don't. Please. I am driving with a monkey on my window.
You're also aiding and abetting.
You're in Costa Rica. Look at it. We loves it.
Not only does he want to drive, but he's also marking his territory. Peepers wears his eyeball glasses during long trips so he can take a nap, yet still appear to be listening to his master drone on and on about his stuff. Peepers is a genius.
Later, buddy.
Later.
Oh, you made it.
That time you forgot.
We are going to
What?
Disneyland.
Disneyland.
Your daughter's fear of flying.
Is that it?
We have to get on an airplane to go there. We're going to go.
Sometimes, as a parent, you just can't win.
Not quite the result I was expecting.
Fly by your eyes.
The reluctant flyers are number 2. 2 roads diverged in a wood, and Cecil took the one less traveled, which resulted in his car catching fire. Yeah, that's not good. I think they need a bigger fire extinguisher. Yeah, definitely needed bigger fire extinguishers. Hope Cecil doesn't mind hiking the rest of the trip.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Jenny was fast,
Oh, they were having a race? Oh, man.
but not that fast.
You serious?
If you get up enough speed, the trail isn't that difficult to navigate. It is, however, difficult to build up enough speed.
Oh.
He calls this move
Yeah?
the sternum cracker. It's what he's famous for. Jesus was a madman.
Oh, are you okay?
I'm okay. There was so much snow on the ground that he would never have guessed that underneath it all is an outdoor basketball court. But he would eventually figure it out. Sarah would sled in the snow from the break of dawn until the cows came home. And most days, she would sled even as the cows were coming home.